We've customized our Packer.json file. Now let's navigate back to the BYOI directory, which contains the main build script. We'll initiate the AMI creation process for the Vault component using the provided Python script. Execute the command shown. This script will invoke Packer with the configurations we've set up. The script first checks for necessary prerequisites like Packer and Ansible. Once validated, it proceeds with the Packer build. This image building process can typically take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. For this video demonstration, we have significantly shortened this part for you. Once the build is finished, Packer will output the ID of the newly created AMI. Let's verify this in the AWS EC2 console. Navigate to the AMI section under Images. Here you can see our newly created AMI, identifiable by its name and creation time. Selecting the AMI, you can review its details. Note the AMI name is CyberArk Vault, as defined in our Packer configuration, and the status is available. The AMI ID here matches the one output by Packer. The Vault AMI has been successfully built and is now ready for use in deploying your CyberArk PAM environment.